number.
But oxygen already has the oxidation number, right? In the oxide format, peroxide format, and the superoxide format.
So this -2 is the oxidation number for oxygen.
Yeah, but we don't write in this formula. Generally, write only for the metals.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you understand how to calculate the oxidation number.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
So, sir, we should take any element which we know oxidation number, and then the element which we don't know, we have to just replace it with any variable and then equate it to the charge.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
That's the first one. Okay. Now, Piyush, you said write one example.
Yes, sir. PO4 -3.
PO4 -3. Now, in this case, we don't know the phosphorus oxidation number. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll take it as a X plus phosphorus means oxide is in the format. If nothing is given, there is oxygen will be in the oxide format only. If they mention particularly peroxide, then only we'll take it as a -1. Okay. So 4 into each oxygen is -2 is equal to, what is the charge here?
-3.
-3. So X minus 8 is equal to -3, or X is equal to +5.
Yes, sir.
You got it with chance? Answer?
Yes, I got the answer.
It can form the +5 bonds around it, or it can show the -3 charge also. +5 or -3, right? 15th group,
Yes, sir.
16th group, +6 or -2. 17th group, +7 or -1, like this.
So, sir, according to the convenience of an atom, it will gain or lose the electron.
Yeah. Or it will share the electrons also, right?
So the higher number is for sharing and the lesser number is for losing, right?
Mostly it will form
No.
like that. If you take same the nitrogen in the same period, it will form only up to -3. Up to 3 only it will form. But if you go for the phosphorus, it will form up to +5. That's why PCl5 compound will form, right? Phosphorus pentachloride. PCl5 is there, right? What is the oxidation number of phosphorus in this? What is the oxidation number of phosphorus? And one more thing, halogens always shows
-1.
-1. So phosphorus, we don't know X, plus chlorine is a halogen, we'll take it as a -1. Overall, it is a neutral compound or charged compound?
Sir,
So
neutral.
neutral.
Neutral only, right?
So it will be 0.
Vedika, is it neutral or charged one?
So neutral.
Neutral. So it is equal to 0. So X -5 is equal to 0 or X equal to +5. Understand?
Sir, what is the difference between oxidation number and valency?
Both are same. Oxidation number can be positive or negative, but valency is always positive only. What is the meaning of valency? Combining capacity of an element. Either it can combine with one or two other elements, or it cannot combine also. So it can be 0 if it cannot combine means. If it's combined means it can be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. But combining capacity cannot be negative, right?
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir, got it.
Oxidation number and valency both are same only, but oxidation number can be positive or negative. Valency is always positive or 0. It cannot be negative.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this type of compounds like iron 3 oxide, iron to oxide. Like these compounds are there, right? In that case, the number written is the oxidation number, not the valency. Suppose if I say iron to oxide, what is the formula?
So for what?
Iron to oxide.
So Fe2O.
Fe2 is possibility is there.
Fe2, yeah, FeO.
Very good. The answer will be FeO. Like that you have to understand. All are iron oxides only. This is the iron oxide only. This is the iron oxide only. But the formula is different, right? Iron oxide formula is FeO. Iron 3 oxide formula is Fe2O3. Any confusion how you got FeO here? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. So because both the oxygen and iron have the two valency, that's why. So it'll be
Vedika didn't
interchanging.
understand, I think so.
So, but they can possess 6 valency also, right?
No, check it here. We don't know iron oxygen state, right? So we'll take it as a X. Next one, each oxygen will show -2 only, right?
Yes, sir, outside.
Oxygen will means -2 only, right? So 1 into -2 is equal to
-2.
neutral compound means 0.
0.
So x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to +2. Understand now? How you
Yes,
got
sir.
2 here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's what. If you don't understand now, you won't reply anything. I know that well. When you understand only, you'll say, okay. Clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear.
If you practice
Yes,
some more
clear.
problems, you'll get to know easily that one. Don't worry. So next one, find out oxidation number of chromium in K2 Cr2O7. Do it fast. Pranav and Jivika are clear. Are any doubts? Saikshit,
Clear, sir.
Sai,
Yes, clear.
are you there? Unmute yourself, Sai. Find out for K, M, and O4 also.
So, how do you do for 3 elements, sir?
Just simply add all the oxidation numbers.
The one which we need to find, we just have to
But can you
replace it
explain
with
one?
it.
Can you explain
Sir,
only one?
I'm not able to understand the fourth one.
Fourth
The
one.
same here.
Okay. First, I will explain this one. Okay. Listen carefully. Try it once. Just do one thing. I will tell you. Whichever you want, take it as an X. Remaining you can add directly. That's all. The sum of all the oxidation number is equal to 0, right? In the case of neutral compound. Suppose if you want chromium, take it as an X. Remaining oxidation number you can add and you can equate to 0. I'll explain that on the board. Don't worry.
Sir, is it 8?
8.
Yes, sir, for K2 Cr2O7.
Check it once again, calculation part.
Sir, is it 6?
It cannot be 6 and it cannot be 8. I will check that one also, okay? Don't worry. Mostly I'm taking another answer only.
The potassium is -1, right?
Yeah, 6, I think it is getting 6 only.
So because if you can keep potassium as -1, then 2
We
into
use
-1 plus
Potassium.
yes, sir?
Potassium is -1.
Yes, sir, 19th, right?
Which group?
First group. Oh, sorry.
Everybody got the answer? Try it first. I will explain you. Don't worry.
Sir, 2 minutes. I'm solving that.
Okay. Jivika, solve the next one also, KMnO4.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, it's 6 only.
Sir, it's 6.
Kavya?
I still do not understand like what to take it.
There can be both +1 and -1, right, for potassium.
-1.
+1, right?
Because it is belongs to first group, right? So potassium can form only +1. Yes or no? Piyush,
Yes, sir, but
all
sir,
alkalis,
if we, yeah,
alkali metals always will show +1.
What will
Alkaline
the
metals
value of
always will show +2. That's a constant one, right?
yes, sir, but sir, if we just forget the this group parts, then if we based on the calculation, then it can be both 18 and 20, right? For the required for the balance part, like stable.
Yeah. So what is the potassium atomic number?
so then is it 8, sir?
19.
19. Which one is the nearest noble gas configuration?
Argon.
Argon, 18. Means 19 is there, potassium, argon is 18. What you have to do? Lose one electron only, right?
Yes, sir. Now
Yes, sir.
understand.
Now losing one electron means +1 only, right? Okay. So listen carefully. Potassium, we want for chromium. So take it as an X. How many chromiums are there?
2x.
2 chromiums. Plus, each potassium will show +1.
2.
So 2 into 1. And each oxygen will show
Minus.
-2. Just you will add all the things. If you have 3 now, you can add 3. If you have 4 now, you can add 4. But overall is equal to 0. Understand, Kavya?
Yes, sir.
So 2 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. 2x minus 12 equal to 0 or x equal to 6. Now you got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
काव्या ये वाले सॉल्व करना.
Yes, sir. Sir, for Mn,
Yeah, Mn.
So it's 7, right, for Mn?
Check it.
yes, it's 7. And 1 is equal to 7.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, what? So is the answer correct?
Which one?
Mn, sir.
Mn.
Mn is 7.
Is 7.
1 plus x plus or x minus 8 equal to 0. Can I write like this directly?
Yes, sir.
X minus
X
7
equal to 7.
So x equal to plus 7.
7. Plus 7.
Okay. This is the
And
sodium.
next one is X is equal to
X equal to
2.
no. This is the sodium peroxide formula.
The 2x are outside.
Sodium peroxide formula. So in the case of peroxide, what is the form? Oxygen form
-1.
-1. Then check it. Then we don't know x value of A. Sorry, Na. So 2x plus 2 into -1 equal to 0. 2x equal to 2, x equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, but Na will show plus.
Na will show +1 only. But it is in the different form, right? It is in the peroxide format. So peroxide format means what? We will find it only for the sodium, right? So oxygen always will show -1 only. That is a constant.
Okay, sir.
We know KO2. Sorry, K2O.
For outside.
1 minute. It's a KO2 or K2O? K2O only. So what is the state of K? No, I will tell you this one formula. Wait, I'll explain you this example next class. Superoxide, and I'll give an example afterwards. What about H2O2? What is the name of this?
Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide. Then what will be the state of H here?
Gaseous state.
2x. For hydrogen, we are calculating minus or plus 2 into -1, right? Whenever the peroxide format is there, oxygen will
Yes,
show
sir.
-1 only, right? Equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So X will be 1 only, right? So hydrogen state is 1. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the oxidation numbers. And some more examples in the equation part we'll do next class, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Equation how to calculate like Fe plus CuSO4, say FeSO4, like that we'll do next class. And reduction also we'll study in next class. Oxidation, reduction, redox reaction. Someone said redox reaction. One on the day you only, right? So both oxidation and reduction will take place simultaneously. That is called as a redox reaction. That we'll study in the next class, okay? Any doubts in today's class?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir. No doubt, sir.
So no doubt.